Hey everyone, wanted to jump on here and discuss some of the investment trends that we saw for the week of December 4th. So, first and foremost, it seems like the market is front running the Santa Claus rally. So, the Santa Claus rally is a term that investors use to where stocks tend to increase going into the end of the year. One of the things that's giving investors great hope is the anticipation of the Federal Reserve actually starting to cut interest rates early next year. So some economists are predicting that as early as next March, we may start to see the Federal Reserve cut interest rates and could see as many as 5 interest rate cuts next year. However, Fed Chair Jerome Powell stated that any talks of interest rate cuts could be premature. We will see what his decision is next week as the Federal Reserve decides what they will do with interest rates. Will they leave the rates where they're at, or would they still potentially raise interest rates? So another trend that we saw this week, any mention of AI from companies, especially tech companies, seems to send the market in a frenzy. So on Thursday, Google reported that they have a new AI feature coming out called Gemini AI, which they tout to be better and outperforms OpenAI's ChatGPT. So with this news on Thursday, Google stock was up over 5%. AMD, so Advanced Micro Devices, their stock, they came out and said that they are developing a chip that will rival NVIDIA's. Their stock was up over 9.9% on Thursday. So much to look forward to and look into as we see these continuations of large tech companies making AI announcements and what that does to their stock prices. Friday morning, we received the job report, and the job report actually came in stronger than anticipated, which leaves some investors torn between do we have a strong economy or will the Fed continue to raise interest rates if these jobs reports come in higher than expected and could potentially increase inflation? So the unemployment rate actually slipped from 3.9% to 3.7%, and there was an increase in job openings by about 150,000. So that led the market to underperform slightly early in the morning on Friday. So there's some of the investment trends that we saw for this week. Let us know if you have any comments or any thoughts on your end.